Shorthand English, pre-junior, 60 words per minute, page number 1. Start. Friends, speed development in shorthand cannot be got without a complete knowledge of the rules. It is also not suggested that the writer should sit down and commit to memory each rule. What is required is the employment of the rules by writing a number of outlines using each rule and writing them again and again. All too often, boys and girls write outlines without knowing what they are writing. It is most important to concentrate when writing, and this is just not possible when one is taken by some form of entertainment. We cannot quite agree with those who believe that they learn better in peaceful conditions. Satisfactory results are not got without real work. More attention will have to be given hour by hour during the course of learning, and a clear plan of work should be agreed upon to gain the maximum advantage. Regular reading of rules is important even after speed training is taken up. All short forms and contractions should be mastered, that is, read, practiced, and used regularly. You should keep in mind that practice every day is better than 1 or 2 hours at the end of the week. If you wish to develop your speed but know that your knowledge is imperfect, it is a good idea to go through your first book and do quick reading. Most things worth having are worth working hard to get, and this subject is one of them. If you find yourself often writing wrongly, covering one particular part of the rules, you should then make a real attempt to become an expert in that part, working out the different examples given in the book. You should read your shorthand notes regularly. Even attempting the notes written a week ago in the class. All the best. Dear Sir, we are surprised to learn from you this morning that the goods which we have ordered and about which we have many times reminded you will not be delivered before the end of this week. At the time of placing the order, we have carefully stated that we require the goods in the first week of this month. And although your prices were higher than those of other companies, we have placed the order on you with the hope that you will let us have delivery to meet our requirements. We shall be glad if you will look into the matter of delivery at once and let us know by written the position. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Stop.